What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some interior upgrades on the 97. I actually filmed this intro before we actually started the project, but that footage got lost somewhere in cyberspace, so it's gone. So I figured I'd film this quick intro and then I'll get right into the progress we made, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So see you guys in a few minutes. All right, y'all. So we got all the random crap cleaned out of the 97, seats for the 94, seats that I bought for other reasons. Got everything cleaned out seat wise. As you can see, the mat's filthy. We're fixing to pull the mat out of here.
It's a mud truck, boy.
About halfway, working hard.
Yes.
But yeah, got some filthy going on under the mat too. But yeah, we're good. We're about to get this pulled out of here, get some carpet put back in it, and then get the seat track switched over to the new seats we got, and finally start getting this old girl right. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a second when we get this pulled out. And actually, yeah, let me walk over there, because man, it's bad. All our trim pieces hanging out in the back.
It's like they kind of picked the mat up and just swept everything under it every time when they go clean the truck.
Yeah, it's filthy.
Disgusting.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna drag all that crap out of here and try to make some progress. So we'll see you guys in a second.
All right.
So as you can see, the passenger side really doesn't look all that bad, but the driver's side where the mat was tore down, because it was kind of tore up here in this area where your heel would sit. And as you can see, yeah, it's pretty nasty up here. I mean, this stuff is, yeah, all the dirt and all the crap. Oh, there's a quarter. I'll take that.
Boy.
Yes, sir. Heads up, too. But yeah, bunch of nasty crap in here. Got to clean all this out. Kind of working our way back. So yeah, we'll have it right here in a second. The seat back here is stuck. Trying to get it to flip up so we can get under it to pull the rubber mat out of the back, you know, that's tucked down in the back. And yeah, we can't do that because it's stuck, because, you know, second gen Dodge problems. So yeah, we'll try to get that unstuck, see if we can flip that thing up so we can get to that rubber mat back there and keep making some progress, ready to have the interior done on this thing so we can send the old girl to the paint shop and finally get this thing on the road. God, it's been forever. So anyway, we're going to keep on chipping away at it here, and we'll get back to you guys here in a minute. All right, y'all, so this is day 2 of getting the carpet installed and the old rubber mat removed. Got everything pulled out, got the back seat out, which was a disaster. The handles were broke on the back seat, so we actually had to take a scissor jack, like right in here, and jack the front of the seat up to get it to pop loose, where we could get to the mounting bolts to get the seat itself out. But yeah, she's out. So now we got to clean all this up. There's a lot of crap in here. As you can see, this was a ranch truck, so ranchers and farmers are pretty rough on stuff. Definitely don't believe in cleaning it most of the time. So as you can see, we got a lot of dirt and crap, especially back there. So yeah, we got to break out the shop vac, clean this old bird out. Got halfway on the assist.
Junk Dodge.
Yeah. He's having a grand old time. Don't let him fool you. But anyway.
Oh yeah. Let me tell you, I am having a blast. You can't even hold myself back.
Yeah, look at all the smiles though. He's having a grand old time. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna get that done, and then we'll deal with this headliner issue at a later date. For right now, I'm gonna work on the floor. So anyway, we're gonna get this cleared out and catch you guys in a second. All right, y'all. So as you've seen, we're working on getting the carpet put in. We got it put in. We just installed the front seat just because there's something I want to do with the center console. The center console that came out of the truck's not in great shape, so I'm gonna have to do something else. But I didn't bother putting that stuff in there just because I didn't want to put the passenger seat in for no real reason and then have to take it back out to get to the center console to, you know, do whatever I'm gonna do with that. So anyway, we just left the driver's seat in for now. As you can see, carpet's in. Still got some random stuff laying in here, but it's in. Got our scrap pile back there. And yeah, it came out pretty good, especially considering I've never done carpet before. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. And also with this seat, I bought this seat and a passenger seat here local. I paid $100 for both seats, and as you can see, it's in really good shape. I mean, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, especially on the headrest. Like you can see the headrest is kind of dirty, especially like right here. But other than being a little bit dirty, they're in great shape. I mean, the piping's still good. The pad's not, it's a little soft right here, but it's not busted through or anything. There's no rips or tears on the edge, nothing like that. So definitely a good deal, and they're power too. So yeah, we got these power seats, $100. Pretty stoked about that. And our help.
Mobile mechanic.
Yeah, and son.
What up?
There it is.
There it is.
But yeah, guys, so we finally got some progress made on this truck. We got some more stuff that we're gonna do. The bed is one thing. I bought this bed a couple years back, and I mean, it's not in bad shape per se, but it's just it's got a bunch of little imperfections, you know, that's
right here.
Yeah,
it looks like somebody
this
just
pulled up,
beat down.
yeah. So I mean, it's got a bunch of little imperfections. It's pushed in right here. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but this is actually pushed in. The line's not right. This right here, same. The pinch weld underneath is kind of bent up a little bit. Right
here behind the tail light.
Yeah, that's probably the worst spot on the bed, honestly, is this right here. So I mean, honestly though, I mean, I think I paid like $120 for this bed. I mean, it has no rust on it. It's got a bunch of little stuff in it. These are another thing to aggravate me. They put these in for one of those snap-on bed covers. But I actually found a buddy of mine actually has a short bed that we can use. And so I'm actually gonna pick the short bed up from him, and we're gonna swap the bed over probably in the next video on the channel. So just because the bed he's got it's really nice. Like, I mean, even the paint on it's still pretty good. I mean, this one actually looks a lot better on camera than it actually is. Yeah, this one surprisingly looks pretty good on camera, but it's actually pretty beat, especially considering we're gonna get the paint, you know, the whole truck painted, and having, you know, the little spots on it and what it's gonna cost in body work. I mean, you know, I could swap the beds and probably seriously save myself probably $500 or $600 in body work.
3 hours of time for $500 or $600.
Yeah, just what it would take us to swap the bed. And like I said, this bed's not, you know, totaled by any means. So I mean, I could probably put this bed back up on Marketplace and probably get my money back out of it anyway. So that's the plan. So probably in the next video, we're gonna swap this over. Also, something I wanted to cover just real quick is in the last video I did on this truck. Yeah, we have a grill and a tow strap and all kind of random stuff. The last video I did on this truck, we showed that we pulled the head to get the head O-ringed for some performance upgrades, and we found cylinder 1 had some scoring in it. The truck actually does have the new engine in it now. Again, I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but it actually does have the new engine in it, so I'm going to go over that as well. So just so you guys know, we do have a lot of content coming, so I definitely plan on making a bunch more videos, especially of this truck. I got probably 3 more videos planned for this truck already, and Halfway's giving me a hand. So if you guys don't know who Halfway is from Bruce Wilson channel, he's got his own channel, which is what?
At Halfway Performance, baby.
There's the Halfway Suburban.
We got hoopties like that on there.
Yeah, if you like stuff like this, check out Halfway Performance.
Ooh, it's starting to make this thing look bad, ain't it?
It's done been made this thing look bad.
Easy, boy.
Yeah, coming in here.
Don't take me out like that.
Yeah, coming in hot.
Daddy's getting old. You run into this knee, we ain't walking out of here.
Yeah, you total out halfway. But anyway, guys, so hope you enjoyed the upload. like I said, we do have a bunch more videos planned, so I'm going to start uploading on the channel a lot more. If you want to kind of see what I've been up to in the last couple months, check out Halfway's channel. Been doing a lot of stuff on his channel, so that kind of, you know, fill in the gap. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the upload. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.